Hi guys, I'm going to spend a few minutes talking to you about these. Transitions are words or phrases that are very helpful to your reader because they act as signposts telling the reader which direction your argument is going and how your ideas relate to one another. If you think of your analytical essay as a forest through which your reader must navigate, think of transitions as very useful signposts along the way. Let's take a look at some different kinds of transitions before we take a look at them in action in a paragraph. If you're trying to show similarity between things or to go in the same direction, these might be useful. Similarly, in addition, moreover, furthermore, also, likewise. Not only, but also. If you're trying to show contrast or go in a different direction in your argument, these might be useful. On the other hand, however, in contrast, conversely, although, and but. If you're trying to show the effect of something, these might be useful. As a result, consequently, hence, for this reason, therefore, thus, because of this. And finally, if you're moving towards the end of your argument in a paragraph or in a paper, these might be useful. Finally, in conclusion, at last, overall, to conclude. Now let's take a look at how these transitions can improve your writing. The lines below come from an MBS student's essay on Piggy in Lord of the Flies. The reader feels both admiration and pity for Piggy in Lord of the Flies. The way the author describes Piggy's physical weakness makes us feel sympathy for him. This becomes clear when he tells Ralph that he cannot run on account of my asthma. Piggy was bullied in school. We see this when he tells Ralph that he does not mind what he calls him so long as they don't call me what they used to call me in school. Can you see how this section here is a little bit of a problem area? The writer gave one example of sympathy, which is the asthma, and then the writer gives another example, which is being bullied in school and being called a particular name. What the writer didn't quite do was transition here. A useful signpost right at this moment to help your reader see where you're going would be furthermore, or moreover, or in addition. Take a look at another example. This is a section of an introductory paragraph, again on Lord of the Flies. Press the pause button for a moment and read the sentences. Now you've read it, where do you think transitions are needed? Would you agree that one transition is needed here? I think perhaps another is needed here and another is needed here. Now these transitions are those that tell us we're going in different directions from what has just been argued. This area, I think, would work better if this transition was used. And the shift between Jack and Ralph, which happens here, would work much better with something like this. Finally, this section here, which is in contrast with the section that comes after it, would work much better if it contained something like this. Press the pause button one more time and reread this paragraph and pay attention to how the transitions are used and how they improve the flow of the writing. In conclusion, be kinder to your reader. Help them navigate your essay by using the signposts of transitions.